Hello everybody, welcome to the channel and thank you for joining me today. If you're new, my name is Kate and today I am going to be unboxing Papercraft Society box number 23. So really quickly, for anybody that doesn't know about these boxes, these are a subscription box from Craft and each month you get a box filled with goodies from a different designer. So this month is Crafty Individuals. Next month I believe is Sam Calcott of Mixed Up Craft / Made to Surprise. You also get boxes from people like Helen Griffin, Christina Griffith, you know, the list goes on. Now, I signed up to these when they very first launched and they have been going about 2 years now. So I pay roughly £18 something for these boxes, and you're supposed to get £60 of value inside. So I did get the early bird offer, which isn't available anymore, but if you do want to sign up, I'll leave a code in the description box of the video, and if you choose to use it, both yourself and I will save £5 off one box. Now this video is slightly delayed going up because I was away last week when this came, but now I'm back. I thought, let's get it unboxed, let's get the video up and let's see what's inside. Now UK viewers, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think about the fact Hermes now bring these boxes instead of Royal Mail? Let me know in the comment section because I would love to know your thoughts. Right, enough waffle, let's jump into the unboxing. Now, the last few boxes really that we have had, the outside box has been so incredibly beautiful that I'm a little underwhelmed by this one. It just feels like a craft card box with stamping on. But let's get inside, let's see what's inside, and hopefully things are going to get better. So inside the lid we have a message from the designer that says, "Be bold, turn up the colour." And then it's signed off by Crafty Individuals. And inside we have our wallet and we have tissue paper, which again, they don't seem to be putting the Papercraft Society sticker on. This contains extra goodies, and then we have a leaflet promoting a craft along with Jean from Crafty Individuals, and also telling you how to win a £50 craft stash voucher to spend on Crafty Individuals products. So I'm going to leave those in the box. Let's move this for a second and let's start on the wallet. So this is looking rather autumnal, isn't it? I think that's really, really pretty. So let's see what's inside our wallet. So it's all about, don't forget to share your makes there. All purples. It's a bit Halloween-y. And then we come to the first section and it says, "Be different, turn up the style." So we have a leafy embossing folder. That's quite nice. That is actually quite nice. I don't think I really have I have one leaf embossing folder, but no, I do like that. And then some dies. Okay, so we have a frame, 2 frames, we have some reeds, I guess some trees, like to make an aperture, a leaf, some flowers, and someone special maybe? Okay. I'm sure you used to get more dies when these first started, but okay. Oh, it's a pretty scene. So we move on. Let's have a look. Now we have be imaginative, Turn Up the Artistry. We have a stamp set. The bird. Some like can't think what that's called. Not chevrons. Can't think. Got an autumn quote. Silhouettes. So they're quite interesting. They're quite pretty. Nice little set. And then we have some toppers. So we have some really pretty toppers. I like the ducks. So they're quite nice. This kind of reminds me about where I've just been. I've just been in Scotland, and that could almost be an eagle flying over the trees. So we have 2 sheets of those. Then I like this one. This is a really nice DSP. I do really like that. That's interesting. I like that. That's really pretty with the reflection in the water as well. That's like Halloween-y. Not sure which way it goes. Maybe it doesn't matter. So we have 2 of those. And then we have this one, which hopefully you can see the detail on. That is really, really pretty. So I really like those DSPs. I think they are beautiful. I have some ideas already. And then the last section says, be brave, turn up the inkiness. And inside here we have a stencil with like clouds and hills, tree lines, reeds and long grasses. So that's quite sweet. And then we also have another stamp set. This time we have the ducks, we have some more silhouette trees, spread your wings and fly. I really like this leaf. Little bird there. These are quite nice. I have ideas fizzing through my brain on what we're going to make on the Create with the Papercraft Society video, so that will be fun. We might do more than one project. All I will say is I am sure the stencils used to be larger. We've had stencils before from, I think we had one from Paula Pascal and Be Crafty maybe, and they were definitely bigger. So the stencils seem to be shrinking, but I do quite like what's on them. I would just prefer if they'd stayed the size they were, because I think they were really easy to use when they were large. Let's have a look in here. Now, this always came with a sticker on, which I don't mind so much that it's not coming with the sticker, because it just makes it easier to reuse. But it did kind of show a bit of like care was taken instead of just put it in and throw it in the box. But you know, you can't please everyone, so let's see what's in here. Okay, we have some pretty baker's twine in Halloween-y colours. That's fun. I haven't got any of those colours, so that's really nice. I'm thinking this is another watercolour ink. We had a blue one before with Louise's box, and this is looking, I'd say that's kind of a purpley pinky Halloween-y colour. Then we have the booklet. Now these always used to come with a top tip card, and I always keep mine together. Last month we didn't get one, and we don't seem to have got one with this one either. So I guess they've stopped doing them. I guess after 2 years maybe there's no more tips. I don't know. But it's a bit of a shame because it's quite a nice little feature. So this is the book that comes with each box. Inside you find loads of inspiration from not only the design of the box, but other members of the Craft design team. So this is everything that's in the box. Again, this used to be a double page spread, but this does work. And you're also able to download extra DSP papers. So it tells you how to do that in there, and then literally there's just loads and loads and loads of different inspirations in here. And the last thing we have is our coordinating cardstock. So let's have a look. So we have two, that's a really nice orange, I do like that. We have two of a like maroony red, two of this pinky colour, and then two of this brown, but it's got a slight green tinge, but it's more brown. So those are the coordinated cardstock. They do feel like quite good quality GSM, but you know, they always do. So they're good to have. So that is what has come in Papercraft Society box number 23. As I said, it is by Crafty Individuals. I think there's some really interesting things here. I love the DSPs. I love the colours of this box. I think it's going to be a really fun one to play with. Let me know in comments what you think. Do you like the products? Is there anything that you particularly like or don't like? And don't forget, let me know what you think of Hermes now bringing not just these books, but any Craft Stash order over £20. So I hope everyone is safe and well. I hope you've been enjoying the last of the summer sunshine. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I will be back soon with more videos, including my crafting with the Papercraft Society box, where I'm going to bring you some fun projects using this box. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.